What if I told you this cat sold for $600,000? If someone told me that a year ago or even a couple months ago, I'd call you crazy. This is Neon cat and part Pop-Tart, and it went viral in 2011. The original gift sold in February 2021 for 300 ETH, which was worth about $600,000 at the time, through what's called an NFT. And today, we're going to uncover how these NFTs work and how to get rich off them. What's up, money fam? We're here making that bread in the market, but I'm trying to take you guys to the next level. I'm just out here making another video about building wealth. But today, we're talking about how NFTs could possibly be the best way to build wealth fast. They say Rome wasn't built in a day, but the way people have been making huge profits fast through NFTs is just wild. What if I told you these pieces of digital art are worth millions of dollars? Have I piqued your interest? You can't even touch these pieces of digital art. At the center of these pieces of digital art is Mike Winkelmann, otherwise known as Beeple.
Kind of late September, early October, people kept hitting me up being like, oh, you gotta look at this NFT thing.
2 months later, he netted $3.5 million selling art backed by NFTs.
So why are NFTs getting so expensive? Is there a bubble, or is it going to continue bringing people unbelievable amounts of wealth?
So it's sort of like saying, do you think a web page is valuable? Well, I don't know, it could be.
NFT stands for non-fungible token. That sounds like a bunch of gibberish, I know, but what it really is a digital signature backed by blockchain technology that proves ownership of something. Unlike Bitcoin, NFTs are all unique and special. Bitcoin tokens are all identical. Still confused? Let's break down fungibility. Fungibility refers to the ability of an asset to be exchanged or substituted with similar assets of the same value. A fungible asset example is currency. If you have $21 bills, that's kind of annoying, so you exchange it for a single $20 bill. The value is still $20. Non-fungible assets are the opposite. Each one is unique and can be easily substituted for something similar. For example, the Mona Lisa. It's an original piece of art. It couldn't be swapped out for a Mona Lisa postcard. That postcard wouldn't hold the same value. The blockchain provides proof that an NFT is authentic. It's not much different than a designer Louis Vuitton bag. They have serial numbers and cards to prove that authenticity, but with an NFT, it's all digital. Since NFTs are non-fungible, there's scarcity, providing value for the specific item. It can't be traded for something similar. So another wild example of an NFT exchange is when the infamous Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey announced that he was selling the first ever tweet, bids reaching $2.5 million as an NFT. The $2.5 million bid for the tweet was made by Bridge Oracle CEO Sina Estavi, who placed the astronomical bid on a platform called Valuables by Cent. The platform allows Twitter users to sell their individual tweets. And the tweet, which was originally sent out via Twitter on March 21st, 2006 at 3:50 p.m., reads, "Just setting up my Twitter." The whole NFT world is sort of like valuable card collecting, but taking it to a whole new digital level. Even as mentioned, that cat gif sold for $600,000. The size of the NFT market has been skyrocketing. In fact, it's climbing to a market cap of at least $338 million from about $41 million in 2018. Beeple, the artist, started creating digital art and became an overnight sensation. And not just fame, but money, huge amounts of money. In November 2020, Beeple's NFT-backed Crossroads sold for $66,666. And for people at that moment in time, anything remotely close to 5 figures was astonishing and life-changing. Then, in December 2020, Beeple sold $3.5 million worth of NFTs in one single day. A couple months ago, Beeple's Crossroads sold on the secondary market for $6.6 million and Beeple got 10%. Not so bad. Then, most recently, Beeple's NFT, a collage of images titled Every Days, the first 5,000 days, sold for nearly $70 million according to the auction house Christie's. The buyers of Winkleman's creation gets essentially a long string of numbers and letters. It's a code that exists on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a block in the chain that will be dropped into their Ethereum wallet. They also get a gigantic JPEG, a massive high-resolution JPEG. It's hundreds of megabytes. In a tweet, the auction house said the sale price positioned Winkleman to be among the top 3 most valuable living artists. There's also CryptoKitties. CryptoKitties is a blockchain game on Ethereum that allows players to purchase, collect, breed, and sell virtual cats. It is one of the earliest attempts to deploy blockchain technology for recreation and leisure. My friend actually bought me one for my birthday this year, so I should see what I could do with it. The game's popularity in December 2017 congested the Ethereum network, causing it to reach an all-time high in the number of transactions and slowing it down significantly. Additionally, the NBA partnered with Canadian-based Dapper Labs, makers of the CryptoKitties game, to make its version of a collectible digital asset. NBA Top Shot is a crypto collectible consumers can purchase as a non-fungible token. These are authentic digital sports cards. Top Shots emerged from a licensing agreement the NBA and its players union made with Dapper Labs in 2019. The NBA licenses the reels to Dapper Labs, which digitalizes the footage, making a limited amount to create scarcity. Some NFTs feature highlights in different angles and digital artwork. One is currently listed for over $240,000. Dallas Mavericks owner, Mark Cuban of course, has compared Top Shot to the old school model of trading cards, when consumers can have fun trading and collecting scarce items, only with no risk of damage or theft. And the value is still set by the same laws of supply and demand. But the question is, how do you get your hands on an NFT to make some serious gains? One way is to create your own NFT. Creating your own NFT artwork, whether it be a GIF or an image, is a relatively straightforward process and doesn't require extensive knowledge of the crypto industry. NFT artwork can also be used to create collectibles, like sets of digital cards. Before you start, you will need to decide on which blockchain you want to issue your NFTs. Ethereum is currently the leading blockchain service for NFT issuance. However, there is a range of other blockchains that are becoming increasingly popular, including Binance Smart Chain, Flow by Dapper Labs, Tron, EOS, Polkadot, Tezos, Cosmos, Wax. Each blockchain has its own separate NFT token standard, compatible wallet services, and marketplaces. For instance, if you create NFTs on top of the Binance Smart Chain, you will only be able to sell them on platforms that support Binance Smart Chain assets. This means you wouldn't be able to sell them on something like VIV3, a Flow blockchain-based marketplace, or OpenSea, which is an Ethereum-based NFT marketplace. Since Ethereum has the largest NFT ecosystem, here's what you'll need to mint your own NFT artwork, music, or video on the Ethereum blockchain. An Ethereum wallet that supports ERC721, which is the Ethereum-based NFT token standard, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Coinbase Wallet. You'll need around $50 to $100 in Ether. If you are using Coinbase's wallet, you can buy Ether from the platform with US dollars, British pounds, sterling, and other fiat currencies. Otherwise, you will need to purchase Ether from a cryptocurrency exchange. Once you have these, there are a number of NFT-centric platforms that allow you to connect your wallet and upload your chosen image or file that you will want to turn into an NFT. The main Ethereum NFT marketplaces include OpenSea, Rarible, Mintable. Now, where to buy NFTs? So this is a little bit easier, but for crypto traders who are primarily interested in buying NFTs, here are some options. You can do it through OpenSea, Rarible, Super Rare, Nifty Gateway, Foundation, Axie Marketplace, Bakery Swap, NFT Showroom, and VIV3. I think the NFT market is far from being over, even though people say, we're in an NFT bubble, but I think the market cap is only going to get bigger from here on out. So get on it now. There's no way this is going to go down anytime soon. Listen, I'm all about long-term investing, but if you want to make money and lots of it quickly, NFTs are the way to go. Obviously, do your own research before purchasing an NFT to make sure it's valuable and can sell for higher. Like, I'm not a sports expert, but if you are going to buy a sports card NFT, you definitely want to make sure it's a player worth value or a player that's going to be worth value in the future. Same goes with other NFTs. I'm Scarlett from Miss Money, and thanks for joining our Money fam today.